Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a ton of members really fast, like 1,000 members a week, whatever. All you have to do is install one bot, so let's get right into it. Alright, so how to get this bot is you go to top.gg.com, or top.gg, and you look for this bot. It's always here. So it's called Members Plus. And what this bot does is, you'll see in a minute, it uses people to get points. So you join servers and you get points, and then those points can be used to get your own members. And the first command that I'm gonna be using is plus find, and you see plus find here. It finds servers for you to join. When you join the servers, you get points. And when I go back here, I can go to plus bal, and it'll show me how many coins I have. So 7 coins, that's 7 members. So I can go to, so I didn't say this in the video, but you actually only get around 0.5 coins or members per join. So you have to join 14 servers to get the amount of coins that I had in this clip. I can go to plus by 7, and soon 7 people will start to join. So plus info, and people will already start to be joining soon. And as you can see, 1 person has already joined. Alright guys, that's really all I had to show for you today. If you guys enjoyed, please like, comment, and subscribe. Comment if this is helping you, if you're using it, and just let me know if it helped, because I would really like to know. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye. Oh, before I leave, I just want to remind you to turn on those post notifications when you subscribe to be notified when I make another how-to video on Discord or any other platform. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.